Hey guys, it's Jacklynn here. And today I was eating lunch, but my lunch was not good. So I'm gonna improvise and we're gonna make ramen noodles! Not any typical ramen noodles, but Jacklynn ramen noodles. Oh shoot, is this upside down? You're not gonna be eating cup noodles, no. You're not gonna be eating giant or Target noodles that you can find in any typical store. No, you're gonna be eating mama noodles. Specifically the tom yum flavor. I don't know. Shrimp, tom yum, I don't even know. There's horrible lighting in this kitchen. I should probably pull up some curtains. Okay, so then you need a bowl. Specifically, there are no bowls, and I'm really confused. Where are the bowls? I'm just gonna get one out of the pantry, even though I'm not supposed to be using those bowls, but there's no bowls. The pantry is dirty, but why are there spoons inside the bowl? Okay. Going back to my station. Oh look! Sarah, you can quench your thirst. I usually go for these bowls, you know, the typical Vietnamese pho bowls, like, you know, with the weird designs on Chinese writing. You know, now you need to boil your water. Oh, here we are at our So here we are at our boiling station, you know. What you do is, wow, while you are waiting, you just need to prep. So take out, oh shoot, I forgot that thing is loud. So open up your ramen pack. Remember, mama tom yum noodles. So okay, this is at a really ugly angle, but I can't find my tripod. So then you take it out and it's whole like this, right? You gotta split it in half. You know, that's not in half, but you know, worth a try. And then you put in all of the chili powder. And this is a crucial part. You only put in half of the seasoning pack, okay? Half of it. Don't put in the whole thing. We're not trying to get high cholesterol. Half of it. You see? Half of it. Because, you know, you don't want to be too bland, but you don't want to be too seasoned. There's probably no such thing as seasoning, but you know, you don't want to be too salty. So yeah, half of the packet. All the chili powder, half of the seasoning. You know? Evening things out. I think that's a bit more than half. And then you just wait for the water to boil. But this, you need to cut this open. This is crucial. So you take it and you cut it at the very tip, you know? And this is also a crucial part. You need to have meat and this little meatball thing that I forgot how to say in Vietnamese. Wow, my Vietnamese is so effing bad. So yeah, meat. This is raw meat right now, but when you put the boiling water in, it's going to cook. And this meatball thing, or you can just put a meatball, I guess. This is such a stupid video, but I'm running out of content, so I can't really do much about it. When the water is almost done boiling, just pour the whole thing in, like so. And for your utensils, you gotta use some chopsticks. You know, who eats ramen with forks? And this type of spoon, the dip spoon thing, is the most effective. Come on over. Let's go grab our boiling hot water. Let's just pour that thing in. I typically pour it right onto the meat so that it cooks, you know. That's enough. Let me show you. And then you just pour this packet in. And then you just mix that shabiz around. Okay, this does not look the most appetizing, but I don't care. Then you just take a plate or something and cover the bowl so that the noodles can soften. I don't know, I'm not a chef. We move this aside. Let's talk about life. My life has been pretty boring so far. Spring break, spring break. Summer break started on June 15th, if I'm correct. And I haven't been doing anything at all. The most fun thing that's ever happened to me this whole entire summer break is KCON, obviously. Oh, Delaware-ish, kind of. And getting locked out of my house. That was great. That was great. Getting locked out of my house was great. Took me 30 minutes while I was on FaceTime call with Sarah. She didn't even hear me knock on the door 50 times and yell. But I guess she's deaf. Yeah, dating life, no, non-existent, you know. School, it got first. Let's check out our ramen noodles to see if it's done. Okay. It's done. I may have put too much water. I think I did. Yeah, put too much water. It doesn't look appetizing, but this is the finished product. Sorry. Yeah. You know, let's take a bitey bite. Gotta do the side of the crust. Okay. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious! It's so good. So yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you learned from this ramen making experience how I make my ramen noodles. So yeah, that's all for the video. Like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. That'll be in the description below. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Eat mama noodles. Mama noodles are the best noodles. Bye guys.